The Boya M1 mic is a relatively cheap mic that gives you a high quality audio for about 20 bucks.
It comes with a 6.5 audio connector for digital cameras and DSLR, a battery, closing clip, and a noise cancelling sponge, and a cute little bag. To add the battery, open this part, add the battery here, then close it again.
Simple. The mic comes with a 6-meter cable, which can be annoying sometimes.
Speaking of the cable, the quality of the cable is atrocious, but this is what you expect from a cheap mic. If you are going to use it with a camera, you are going to turn the switch on. Note that this will drain your battery, so you want to close it as soon as you finish. If you're going to use your smartphone, then you don't need the battery. You can record while it's off. So if you're going to use it on a PC, you need to turn the camera mode on. However, there's a way to bypass it by using this cable.
Bonus tip. Buy an extra pack of batteries for about 5 bucks. I will leave my Amazon affiliate links in the description. You can buy the mic, the adapter, and the batteries. I'm also going to be making more videos about budget-friendly gears for streamers and YouTubers, so make sure to stay tuned. Also, like and subscribe, and tell me what you want next in the comments.